been a tragedy. It is written in the prophecy, yeah. Long time Rasta said it would be dread. Now the chains are in your head. The diseases start to spread, yeah. Seems there is no end in sight. They do the wrong and not the right. Every little thing they want to fight. This was not the way Jah planned, no. He made us with divine right. Every man is equal in his sight, yes. Might can't ultimately beat the right, no. When will you open your eyes? See the devil is in great disguise. Be too late when you realize. Jah is not the author of confusion. With the said you all should learn a lesson. Equality and justice, no compromise, no. To divide and rule is insanity. People need to know their history. It's a crime against humanity. This was not the way Jah planned, no. He made us with divine rights. Every man is equal in his sight, yeah. Might can ultimately beat the right, no. Won't be time for no excuses. See the truth and you refuse it. Here we weeping and gnashing of teeth. Knowledge is too high for the fool them. Mother Africa is still awaiting, waiting on her long lost children to come home with humility. Like a prodigal son we must return home and enjoy the feast. Enjoy the feast, yeah. This was not the way Jah planned, no. He made us with divine right. Every man is equal in his sight, yes. Might can't ultimately beat the right, no, no. This was not the way